we've had some requests to do some forensic analysis on our GC-FID. One of the things that comes up quite often is blood alcohol concentration. It's drawn from the blood after there's an incident involving driving while intoxicated. Here at Lucidity, we're not able to do biohazards, so I procured some synthetic blood. So this is just synthetic blood that I purchased from a supply store. From there, I was able to spike that blood with different concentrations of alcohol, ranging from completely sober to completely inebriated. So we're going to put these samples on our Headspace GC here, and we're going to go ahead and give those a start. And so what we're waiting for is the Headspace Autosampler will put them into the incubator, heat them up for several minutes, and then inject. And we'll see how much blood alcohol concentration there is in each of these samples. So the Autosampler is going to move the samples into an incubator and incubate them for about 7 minutes. Once that's done, it's going to inject into the GC, and we'll see how much we get. Tune in, check out our blog that's coming out on Thursday to find out the answer.
Please like and subscribe, and make sure to click the bell icon to receive more content from Lucidity.